Approximately 10,000 species of birds exist worldwide. However, this number may vary over time due to newly discovered species and taxonomic changes. Bird species have evolved and diversified in different regions and ecosystems. Each species possesses unique characteristics, anatomical differences, and behaviors. Ornithology is the scientific field that focuses on the classification, behaviors, habitats, and ecology of birds. The names of 20 bird species are as follows: eagle, hawk, crow, pigeon, parrot, flamingo, raven, albatross, sparrow, seagull, owl, hummingbird, stork, pelican, magpie, nightingale, falcon, woodpecker, toucan, duck.